Just Walk Out was an opportunity for us to do something we've been wanting to do for several years, which is the 24/7 non-man location. It's nice because they can come here anytime. They get to shop at their leisure. They get to be comfortable in here, not worrying about standing in a line, and then they get to just walk out. And we were able to integrate in our Falcon dollars, which is how our students use their retail dollars. We had a market in this particular location, and it was open, I think, 9 to 11. It was nice because we could retrofit this. It was a refresh. So now it is open so that they can come in at any time. For September of this year, in comparison to when we were open previous, our labor numbers ran about 5.5% to 6% lower. It's been extremely well received by both the student, faculty, staff, and the community.
When you come in, you just grab what you want and go. It just makes life easy.
The best part is coming in here any time of the day, grabbing whatever I need, and I could just walk out.